Okay, this is a little project we got. Sometimes we buy damaged cabinetry from Lowe's. I think we got this for $6. I think it's normally around, I don't know, 200 or something like that. And then we fix it up. It's one of Luca's projects. Then we can put it into a mobile home that we're fixing up to sell. And it helps us get into the project for a lower price point, which means a lower monthly payment for the person buying it, which means it attracts more people, which ultimately means we get to sell it for the best price we can. So it's kind of a win-win. What do you think of this project? You think it's finished? And what do we got to do? Clamp it now?
Yeah.
Okay, go get the clamps. Come on. All right. Good job. Let's close this door. All right, we'll check back in a bit.
Hi.
How's it going?
Tiny.
Is it going good in there? You wiping the glue?
Yeah. So annoying.
Plumber crack starts early.
Got it.
We got some clamps. Let's see, can I see in there? Nope. All right, we'll check back in a second.
Turn back around.
Come on out.
How should I turn back around?
Come back around.
Oh, I see something.
Okay. Nice. You got some glue? Where's your headlamp?
Over here.
Okay.
I don't need the headlamp for that.
Okay.
It's light up there. It's not here. It's right there.
Okay.
So it's not dark right here.
Okay.
Duh.
Duh. Okay. Labor force is starting to talk back.
Oh.
All right, come on out, buddy. How much do you think we could sell this for now?
$10.
Oh, that would.
$1 million. $1,000.
Okay.
$1,000,002.
Oh, it's good.
$1,000,000.
All right, come out. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Good job. Come on.
Lower. Don't do this. You promise? Pinky promise?
Okay, pinky promise. Okay. Nice job.
Ow.
You did it to yourself. Nice job, buddy. You got another cabinet ready. You can start putting them together. Make a whole kitchen. All right.